What is a funnel hub and why do I need one? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. In this age of direct marketing, we have moved away from the classic website to a sales funnel. This technology shift has been incredibly successful and keeps our potential customers focused on what we want them to see, what we want them to do, and hopefully what we want them to purchase to help them on their journey, whatever that may be. In the rush to abandon the large, unwieldy, expensive, and outdated website, have we left behind something that we should simply transform instead of completely abandon? In ClickFunnels 2.0, Russell Brunson, undeniably one of the greatest champions of the sales funnel and the inventor of ClickFunnels, has introduced the concept of a funnel hub. What is this? It's a web page at the root of your domain where you can collect your sales funnels, your online products, your social media links and content, a blog, and much more. Sounds like a website, doesn't it? It is. However, it's not your focus for direct marketing. In fact, it may never be something you actually promote. So what's the point? A funnel hub serves as the central hub for the search engine results when someone looks for you or your business with a search. Here's the funnel hub for my affiliate marketing business. It's very simple. It's really meant only as a search engine landing page, and it contains links to a few of my higher converting funnels, as well as links to my social media pages. You don't really want a Google search for you or your business just landing on a sales funnel opt-in page. Yes, that really is its major purpose, as all of your direct marketing efforts will send people to your focused sales funnels where we guide the viewer to our mutual desired conclusion. I created a funnel hub when I started moving my sales funnels for my Make Money Online business over to ClickFunnels 2.0 from ClickFunnels Classic. It's not much, but it does have links to my major funnels, as well as a link to a private membership area where I give away free stuff and which holds a large number of affiliate links. Since going live with the Funnel Hub, I've seen leads come into my autoresponder every single day from the funnels that are hosted directly on the Funnel Hub homepage. I've never done any sort of marketing to this page, and I don't think I ever will. Still, it has been indexed by the search engines, and clearly people are finding it, entering the sales funnels there, and becoming part of my overall client list. People have also been choosing my business from a funnel on that page and entering the free membership area where they get access to free courses and ebooks for download. If I need to tell someone about my website now, I will use the Funnel Hub URL, as this does talk about who I am and what I do, as well as includes links to some of the what can you get from me on that page. Here's another one I've set up to replace a classic website and support a series of sales funnels that are driving significant business to a book I wrote about my hike on the Appalachian Trail. This Funnel Hub really looks more like a classic website, with an online store, a blog, about us, and social media proof pages. The online store features my book funnel, where I give away the paperback book for just the cost of shipping and handling, and I have upsells for a hardcover autographed copy, the audio and ebooks, as well as additional merchandise and a video course on long-distance hiking. The blog replaces a blog from my earlier website, and will continue to grow as I expand and promote the online course. The About the Author page is a classic approach to provide the search engines with a landing page, and the book reviews section just highlights some of my social media proof. A funnel hub is really just another tool in the toolbox and should be considered by anyone on this journey to become a more successful online marketer. Yes, it can walk and talk like a classic website, but it should ultimately be feeding your target offers through advanced sales funnels that are part of your direct marketing campaigns. If you are interested in a free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0 and experimenting with your own funnel hubs as website replacements, a link is available in the description. There's also a link to a free 5-day masterclass on building your first funnel using ClickFunnels 2.0. ClickFunnels 2.0 has some really great features that will set the standard for marketing on the internet going forward and for years to come. If you liked this video, please subscribe and share it with a friend. Until next time, life is good.